Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my April 2022 Kinder Beauty box unboxing. And while I'm very annoyed when things come late, the April box, they actually communicated to everyone ahead of time, would be very late because of a fulfillment issue. So at least I appreciate the notice. Before we get into this, I did want to mention that I'm wearing Takeout, the Medusa's Makeup Lip Balm color that came recently. It's very frosty, very like circa 1999 to 2002, and very intense. Not my favorite to wear alone, but have worn it with like color and it looks a lot nicer. So that's what that looks like. I'm gonna stick that back over there. And before we get into the box, I did want to mention that, and you'll see this if you watch my weekly vlog, it's gonna probably be up after this, but my May box didn't arrive. I got 3 Kinder Beauty boxes. 3 of them. I was so confused when I went downstairs and saw there were 3 of them. So I opened one, it's my April box, wonderful. And then I opened the other 2 and neither of them were a May box. Not a single one. They're both like the Kinder faves, like their welcome box that they send you when you're new to the subscription and you first sign up. So I'm not sure how I get 2 welcome boxes and no May box, but I have reached out to customer service and we'll see what they say. We'll see what they do. It's very, very strange. But without any more rambling, let's go ahead and see what came in the April box. I don't even remember what was in it at this point. I think I did end up picking one. I think for the May one, I didn't bother picking one or the other because I didn't feel like they were that different. So whatever it is, I guess I picked it. So this is the Blossom box. It looks like there's 5 items in here. Let's check them out. So the first is from Laritzi, and it's a lip gloss, and this is in the color Peach Sand. I think this was one of the variable products, the color of lip gloss you got. So let's open that up. Here's the color. Kind of a nudie, medium nude shade. Let's read the description. This is a $16 value, ready for your close-up. This peachy nude tinted gloss will boost hydration and get you prepped for the camera with high polish, zero stickiness shine. Well, let's go ahead and swatch it. It's actually quite opaque. When you hear gloss, you're not always expecting opaque color, but that's pretty opaque. How about I go ahead and just put it on? I want to take this off anyway, so... Oh, I think something fell downstairs. Oops. Well, let's go ahead and change this lip color out. Okay, so here's how that gloss looks on the lips. I think it looks beautiful. I think it's a gorgeous color. Really nice. Peachy mid-tone nude, really nice for summer. I think this would look great on a huge variety of skin tones, like dark, and it's beautiful. So I'm pretty happy about getting this little gloss. The next item we have in here is from Sonage. It's collagen boosting serum, plumps and smooths. So here's what it looks like in the little box. Let's go ahead and read about it. It's a $48 value. And it says this intensive serum treatment features innovative plant-based collagen made from rice, soy, and baobab. We're just gonna keep going. To get your skin looking plump, smooth, and springtime fresh. Beauty tips: after cleansing and toning, apply evenly to your face and neck, allow to absorb, and then follow up with moisturizer. So yummy. We have to read the ingredients, but let's take it out of the box and just see what the packaging looks like real fast. So this is an opaque white, like pearlized bottom tube, and then we have a pump. Let's see are the ingredients on the box. Let's read. So the first half of the ingredient list looks great, and then you get to the second half and it's patchouli oils, cedarwood oil, bergamot oil, so a lot of fragrant items. So I'm gonna end up having to pass this along because I'm just not interested in putting that on my face. I might put this in the giveaway, we'll see. The next item is from Province Apothecary, which I actually have, I think, some dry mask mix from this company. And this is a cupping set, a $29 value. Say cheers with these cups that will bring renewed vibrancy to dull-looking skin. This Spatial Cupping Set uses gentle suction to kickstart a healing response that will smooth wrinkles and leave skin revitalized. After applying a serum to enable a smooth glide, use these cups once a day in the AM or PM or once per week if you've got sensitive skin. So this is so interesting to me. Like, we gotta open this up. This is such a fascinating concept. I mean, I don't know anything about the science behind it, but this seems super interesting. So you've got a little one for detailed work, a bigger one for larger planes of the face. Now, I will say it's not smooth. I have a little bit of a lip plastic scratch almost on this larger one, so I do worry that that maybe could be causing skin damage. The smaller one does seem to be fully smooth, but this is an interesting concept to me. I'm gonna have to play with these and see what I think about them. I don't know if I'm sold, but I'm fascinated. And the last two products in the box go hand in hand. It's a shampoo and conditioner from Timeless Organics Skincare. So let me read you the descriptions first. Oh, and the cupping set was a $29 value. I don't know if I mentioned that. So the shampoo and conditioner are both a $7 value each. It's a repairing shampoo and a repairing conditioner. Bring your hair out of hibernation with this nourishing, moisturizing, and frizz-tamping shampoo featuring biotin and CoQ10 to add body and strengthen strands. This is the ultimate hair restoration. Beauty tip: this color treatment safe shampoo won't leave you oily, so feel free to use daily and follow up with repairing conditioner. I mean, I don't recommend you shampoo daily. I know some people are very oily and have to do that, but I don't recommend that. But I'm glad it's color treatment safe, obviously. I'm going to get a little more pink put in today, actually, so very interesting. And then the description for the conditioner is: Step 2 in reviving your hair from winter sleep. This silky conditioner is rich in biotin, jojoba oil, and tea tree oil to strengthen follicles, decrease breakage, and lock in abundant moisture. Perfect for daily use, even with color-treated hair. So I'm very excited to get these. I love especially that they're calling out that they're great for color-treated hair and strengthening. That's exactly what my hair needs right now, especially after I bleached the living heck out of it. So this is definitely very interesting to me. And also, I mean, who doesn't love getting shampoo and conditioner and pushing off having to buy new shampoo and conditioner? I love that. So very pleased with these. Also pleased with the gloss. And I have to say, it's also very comfortable on the lips. Very, very comfortable. Not too sticky. Just feels really good. Super fascinated by these cupping things. The only thing I don't love is the serum, which is not bad. I'm going to go ahead and give this like a, probably like a B+, A-, only because the serum is a large part of the dollar value of the box. And I don't love this, but otherwise I am actually excited for the items that came in it. So hopefully the May box will arrive semi-soon and I can share that with you guys too. And it doesn't wait to get here until all the way in June, so we're not doing all of the Kinder Beauty boxes a month late. But I guess it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this fits into the box of items I have for giveaway. It is starting to get full, which is very exciting. So I think you'll see that upcoming giveaway in either June or July. So keep an eye out on my empties videos. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I've been posting more on Amandaphenomenon.com, so check out my blog. Also, watch my vlogs and my shorts that I've been posting, and subscribe to my Instagram. I've been posting new content there as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.